Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really exciting. Palantir Technologies just released its Q2 2025 earnings, and wow, did they deliver. For the first time ever, Palantir exceeded $1 billion in quarterly revenue, soaring ahead of expectations. Let's unpack what happened, why investors are buzzing, and what the news outlets are saying. What Palantir announced. Revenue. Q2 2025 revenue hit around $1 billion, up 48% year-over-year, comfortably beating the $940 million Wall Street consensus. U.S. revenue, both commercial and government, surged to $733 million, a strong increase of 68% year-over-year. Commercial growth in the U.S. skyrocketed 93% year-over-year, now accounting for $628 million. Government contracts also grew 53%, led by a new consolidated $10 billion potential deal with the U.S. Army. Adjusted EPS. Palantir posted 16 cents earnings per share, beating forecasts of 14 cents. Net income jumped 33 to 144% depending on metric reporting, around $326 million to $327 million. Profit margin. GAAP operating margin was an impressive 27%, per company's investor update. Upgraded outlook. Full-year revenue guidance raised to $4.14 minus $4.15 billion, compared to $3.9 billion prior estimate. Analysts expect even stronger next quarter growth. Q3 guide is 50% year-over-year. What major news outlets are saying? Associated Press highlights the milestone quarter and sharp growth across both government and commercial sectors. Revenue crossed $1 billion, profit rose approximately 33%, and commercial revenue doubled nearly plus 93%. Business Insider notes CEO Alex Karp's bold comments, saying critics had been bent into a kind of submission, and mentions huge revenue splits. $628 million commercial versus $426 million government. Financial Times points out that while sales growth, 48%, is incredible, Palantir now trades at 70x forecast revenue, valuing the company at about $360 billion, calling its valuation irrational exuberance. Investopedia Investors.com report shares rose 7 to 8% on the news, making Palantir the top performer in the S&P 500 for the day. Many analysts raised price targets following these better-than-expected results. Techscape, via The Guardian, emphasizes Palantir's continuing expansion with the U.S. Army, consolidating 75 contracts into one $10 billion deal that sets the stage for years of potential work. Palantir's Q2 delivered clean beats across the board. $1 billion in quarterly revenue, strong profit margins, and forecasts pushed higher for both Q3 and the full year. Major media outlets highlight the scale of both government and commercial growth, CEO Alex Karp's bold tone, and growing investor confidence, even as some analysts warn the company currently trades at a sky-high valuation. If you found this breakdown helpful, let me know. I can tackle similar earnings reviews for other high-flying tech names next time.